Guys, so now I'm just going to be installing these poly transmission mounts from Garagistic. Pretty durable, pretty strong, pretty simple install. They come out and go in just like the OEM ones and haven't gave me any issues. So I'm gonna just show you guys how to install them real quick because I'm installing them back on my car. It's pretty straightforward. Comes with 4 washers, 2 bolts, and 2 nuts. And you're gonna want to pick up some Loctite because Loctite is recommended by the manufacturer of these mounts. All right, so just gonna put some Loctite on the beginning of these threads. I'm gonna do the same for the other one. So now you just want to put them through this hole. Alright, so you're gonna just want to take this OEM weight mount and get it situated back up into place like so. And grab your transmission mounts and get them on. So some of the thread locker came off a little bit, so I'm just, alright. And once you got it set up like that, all you gotta do is get it installed into the car by lining it up, putting the bolts through, and make sure you put this washer on top and then the nut. It is kind of tricky because the bolts want to slide out. I'm gonna get the washer and my nut and to get one side started. Alright, and then I'll go ahead and grab this. Get it through. And then grab my other washer and put it on top, and my nut. Alright, so that's basically in the place. 13mm socket and a 13mm wrench. While holding the nut at the top, I'll just go ahead and tighten this up. Alright, so we're gonna get those torque down to 9 to 12 foot-pounds. Alright, so I got my torque wrench set to 12 foot-pounds. And we'll just go ahead and tighten this up now. after you get those bolts torqued down, you just want to tighten this back up, torque it to spec, and you should be good to go. 15 foot-pounds for these bolts right here. So just let me see here. Actually says 15.5 foot-pounds. So I'll just grab my torque wrench. Torque those down to 15.5 foot-pounds. So all those are torqued, drive shaft torqued, the whole shifter, whole transmission is all torqued up. Now go ahead and lower this brace.